Hello everyone, welcome to Dry Academy. I am your host Ali. This is our second video on Solidity programming language tutorial series. For your information, I upload the Solidity tutorial on every Wednesday. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss the next tutorial. In the first video, we learned how to define the Solidity version and we also created an empty contract. In this video, we are going to continue our study on CryptoZombie's website. So without any further ado, let's get started. For those who are new to our video, basically we are following the CryptoZombie's website to learn Solidity in a fun way. In this chapter, we are making a zombie factory, and by doing this, we are going to learn the basic knowledge of Solidity programming language and smart contracts. In this lesson, we are going to learn the state variables of Solidity programming language. State variable is like a variable in other programming languages, but there is a difference here. In Solidity programming language, the state variable stays in the Ethereum blockchain. The purpose of writing a smart contract is deployed to the Ethereum blockchain eventually, right? Ethereum blockchain is essentially acting as a database to hold the state variables of smart contracts. You can also learn from here by reading these descriptions. If you are following my tutorial, just don't see my videos. Try these lessons by yourself as well. In this test, we have to declare a variable and assign it to the number 16. Remember from our first video that zombie DNA is going to be determined by 16-digit number. So let's start code. Basically, in Solidity, we can define an integer with this keyword uint, unsigned integer. So here I can write uint DNA digits equal to 16 followed by the semicolon. Now let's check this answer. Woohoo! So we have passed this test. Now let's go to the next chapter. Sorry for the sound dogs barking in the background. So in this chapter, we have math operations in Solidity. Math operations in Solidity is like any other languages. You can take a look here. So in this test, we have to create another uint DNA modules and set it equal to 10 to the power of DNA digits. So let's start typing here. Uint DNA modulus equal to 10. And how do we write the power of something? We use the double star here. And now DNA digits. So DNA digits is 16. Let's write 16. Let's see what happens. Check the answer. Oops, it's wrong. It's showing something here. So this line is wrong. It's not working. So should we write DNA digits, the variable itself here? So let's try it. DNA digits. Okay, try again. Yes, it's what. Now let's go to the next chapter. This is our final chapter in this video. So in this chapter, we are going to learn the structs. Structs is something, a complex data type in Solidity. Like in this example of person struct, there is a property called age, which is uint, and there is another property called name, which is string. So basically the person struct is a collection of these two primitive data structure of Solidity programming language. So in this test, we have to create a struct called zombie, and this zombie will have a property of name and another property of DNA. So let's start coding. So here the keyword struct zombie. So like this, we have name, which will be the string type, and another one is DNA, which will be the uint type. So let's check the answer. Yes, it worked. In the next chapter, we are going to learn the arrays. That is for the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the future tutorials. Don't forget to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Peace.